My name is Eamon. I work as an information security analyst at the Bank of Montreal. So I started my term at BMO this past month, and so far it's been really great. The first week was a little bit of a learning curve, getting used to speaking to everyone, going into the office and doing my work. Our programming courses in the Digital Technologies program really have helped supplement my learning in the office. I think that I'm able to perform my duties much better because I have the schooling going on at the same time, ensuring that I'm up to date on all the technical terms. So I learned how to use the internal tool at BMO called Qualys for security scanning. It's something that I didn't know before, and I found it quite daunting at first, but when I started to learn it, I found that the skill can become transferable for me now at other companies that also use this tool. I've also worked a little bit with SQL and Python, and I think I've really expanded my horizons in terms of my understanding of that. So on a typical day, when I finish at 5 p.m., I usually do schoolwork after, but on the weekends I like to dedicate a few hours to making sure my schoolwork is ready and that I'm up to par on the concepts we've discussed.